Today I'm going to be talking about shoulder and shoulder blade positioning during exercise and for your posture during daily activities. So when you're working at your desk or on your phone, your shoulders tend to naturally roll forward and sit in this position for extended periods of time. This is not the proper position. You want to have them rolled back and your shoulder blades down and locked in. So when you do this, don't puff out your chest too far, but instead only move your shoulders back. This may seem like a subtle movement at first, but over time you're going to feel the benefits in many aspects. So this poor positioning of your shoulders also translates into fitness a lot of times. So for example, for push-ups, if your shoulders are rolled forward, before you get into the exercise, you want to have them put back like this and then get into position and perform the exercise. This also relates to planks. So if your shoulders are rolled forward, roll them back and then get into position. You don't want to be sunk too far down and have no muscle contraction of your shoulder blades. You don't want to be too high, but in that nice neutral position, locked in. This can also relate to shoulder presses. So a lot of times people do shoulder presses when they press up, they'll shrug their shoulders up. This is not the proper movement. You want to start with your shoulder blades rolled back, then pressing up like this. Only moving your arms. This also relates to bicep curls. So before you start, roll your shoulders back and perform the movement. If you start getting fatigued and realize you can't maintain position, then rest for a second, refocus and roll them back again and finish the set. Quantity reps are always going to be worse than quality reps. So doing this is going to prevent future injury, impingements of your shoulder, and it's going to help your posture and better body alignment.